The Bold and the Beautiful recap for Tuesday, February 23, features Finn putting his foot down, Steffi saying sorry, and a shocking realization. Finn vowed to stick around, but he had one last question for Steffi first: would she rekindle her life with Liam if she could? As luck would have it, Hope overheard and wanted the answer too. Steffi promised her heart to Finn. He is the only man she wants, and she was over Liam once and for all. She swore she was moving on. Finn was her guy and she was his girl from here on out. Finn left the ladies to talk. Steffi took the opportunity to apologize and vowed she would never get in Hope and Liam's way again. I belong with Finn, you belong with Liam, the baby can be shared by all of us. Hope's heard this song and dance before. She wanted to trust Steffi but couldn't. Meanwhile, Liam was at the office whining and crying with Bill. The Spencer men screwed up big time, weren't sure how to fix their love lives. Bill was sure it would all work out. Finn interrupted their talk and asked to speak with Liam alone. Once the door was shut, Finn went off. He laid into Liam about screwing up all their lives and demanded he stay away from Steffi once and for all. Finn was not going to let the world-famous waffler hurt Steffi again. Back at Forrester, Ridge found Vinny chatting up Thomas and pushing him to make a play for Hope. Ridge put a stop to it, sort of. Vinny was insistent but had to get back to the lab anyway. Ridge warned his son to stay away from that guy. Thomas was hit hard about some of the things Vinny said and how he said it. He replayed the conversation and the truth hit him like a ton of bricks. He was sure Vinny had something to do with the paternity test. The Bold and the Beautiful airs weekdays on CBS. Check your local listings for airtimes.